In this video, we're going to look at how to deal with problems involving trigonometric ratios of special angles, alright, which include angle 30, 45, and 60 degrees. Okay, so ensure you stay at the very end of this video. Okay, it's very important that you know these special angles of 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees, respectively, for sine, cos, and tan. Okay, so having known this, let's go into details of the video. And now I'm going to form a table to help you with these special ratios of angles. Okay, so let me bring the table. Okay guys, so let's look at this table I have tabulated here to help you guys know the values of sine, cos, and tan 30 degree, 45 degree, and 60 degree respectively. Alright, this is the easiest way you can record this. Alright, so ensure that you understand what's going on in this table and commit them into memory. Okay, because whenever you are asked to deal with right angle triangle problems without the use of calculator, you need to produce the value of sine 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees respectively in such solution. Okay, now let's explain what's happening here. Alright, I use values from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Alright, but our focus should be on 30, 45, and 60 degrees. Okay, now for sine 0, we have it to be 0, sine 30 degree, we have it to 1/2, sine 45 degree, we have it to 1/2, sine 60 degrees, we have it to be 3/2, sine 90 degrees, we have it to be 1, cos 0, we have it to be 1, cos 30 degrees, we have it to be 3/2, cos 45, we have it to be 1/2, cos 60, we have it to be 1/2, and cos 90, we have it to be 0. Now, if you check, you will see that the difference between these sine and cos here, the values of 30, 45, and 60, alright, the arrangement is in reverse form. Okay, this is the easiest way you can differentiate sine and cos. If you check here, for the sine aspect of it, we're having 0, 1/2, 1/2, 3/2, and 1. This time around, for the cos aspect, we started in reverse form. We're having 1, 3/2, 1/2, okay, 1/2, and 0. Okay, so take note of the reverse movement going on here for sine and cos. Okay, now for the tan aspect of it, alright, there's no reverse position of these values of the angles. Okay, tan 0 is 0, tan 30 degrees is 1/3, tan 45 is 1, tan 60 is √3, and tan 90 degrees will give you undefined, alright, which is this infinity sign. Okay, so take note of what is going on in this table. Alright, now once you have understood it, okay, you'll be good to go. Just give it a couple of minutes and commit it into memory before you go for your math exams. Especially this will come out in non-calculator questions you will see. Okay, so having known this, let's use a practice math question on this now to figure it out what is going on in the question, so that you understand how to use this special trigonometry angle to solve problems on such right angle triangle. Okay, let's get the question. Okay guys, now let's look at this question. It says, without using a calculator, find the exact length of side B in the right angle triangle shown below. Okay, so the first thing we have to do, since in the right angle triangle, let's label the parts. Alright, this is the longest part, is usually our hypotenuse. This is our opposite, alright, and this is our adjacent A. Okay, now remember we're going to make use of SOHCAHTOA. Okay, now in this triangle, right angle triangle, we have, alright, we have the hypotenuse side, we don't have the adjacent, we don't have the opposite, and we are asked to find the length, exact length of side B, which is the adjacent side. So from this, we are dealing with sides that have hypotenuse and adjacent. That means from this SOHCAHTOA, we're going to work with CA. Alright, that's cos theta equals what? Adjacent over what? Hypotenuse. So we are not dealing with opposite here. From this, we are giving what? Cos. We are giving our angle here, our theta is 30 degrees. Alright, so it asks to say what is cos 30. Now this is where you use this table. Now when you check, by the time you see this kind of question, you have to draw this table and figure out cos 30 from the table. From this table, cos 30 degrees what we have it to be root 3 over 2. Alright, equals adjacent over our hypotenuse side is what 7. Okay, now we're looking for the b, that's the adjacent side. Alright, so when you cross multiply, our adjacent side will be 7 root 3 over 2. Okay, because this 7 times root 3 over 2, and that will be the answer to this question. The unit is what cm. Okay, so here will be what 7 root 3 over what 2. Okay, so it's as simple as that. This is for this problem. Okay, now let's wipe it and solve one more problem on this before we call it a class. Okay guys, now let's look at this question. It says, without using calculator, show that cos 30 degrees plus tan 30 degrees equals 5 root 3 over 6. Alright, so to begin with, from this table, you will say that, okay, cos 30 degrees is what? Root 3 over 2 plus tan 30 degrees is what? We have it 1 over root 3. Okay, so we're going to find LCM. LCM is what? 2 root 3. Okay, now 2 into 2 root 3, we're going to have it to be root 3. Alright, root 3 times root 3. So we're going to have it to be root 3 times 3. Okay, now plus root 3 into 2 root 3 will give us 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, now this will give us root 3 times 3. That's root 9. Okay, this is root 9. Alright, plus 2 over 2 root 3. And we all know that root 9, square root of 9 is what? 3. So this gives us 3 plus 2. Okay, over 2 root 3. Which give us what? 5 over 2 root 3. Okay, now at this juncture, we're going to rationalize. Okay, so if we rationalize this sort we have here, okay, it's going to give us times, okay, 2 root 3 over 2 root 3. So when I simplify this, we're going to have 5 times what we have. We're going to have 10 root 3, okay, over, now 2 root 3 times 2 root 3, we're going to have it to be 4 root 3 times root 3 give us root 9. Okay, now when you divide, 2 cancel 10 will give us 5. 2 into 4 will give us 2. So we'll be left with 5 root 3 over 2. Now root 9 is square root of 9 is what? 3. So this gives us 2 times 3. So our final result will be 5 root 3, okay, over 2 times 3 gives us 6. Alright, so this is the same thing as what we have here. Okay, so this is basically how you can show that cos 30 degrees plus tan 30 degrees equals 5 root 3 over 6. Okay, so it's as simple as that, guys. Now this basically you can do with problems involving special trigonometry angles, which are cos, sine, and tan of 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees respectively, to solve problems involving right angle triangle without the use of calculator. Okay, so hope you learned something interesting from this video. Ensure you commit this table into your memory. It's easy to grasp. Alright, so ensure you do that. Let's call it a class here. No practice question. In our subsequent video, we go into sine and cosine rules. Okay, now if you are new to the channel, ensure you check the description of the video below for link to our Telegram channel. Click on it and join the Telegram channel for instant notifications. Also ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you have learned from this class. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding this special trigonometry angles, alright, feel free to place it in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Now click on the end screen above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.